Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Midlife Rising. My name is Greg. I was in Sooke again, just conducting some business, and I decided to stop at a local park here called MacGregor Park. I've never been here before, so I figured I have a couple minutes here to spare before I head on back. Let's check out the park, see how it is. I'm going to check out different venues, see what it is, take a tour around here. Looks like a nice park. A little close to the highway, so you can hear the highway noise, unfortunately. But it's still a nice park. It's a pretty day. Nice morning to take a light walk, stretch the legs, and enjoy what we see. All right. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. Here goes the journey. Okay, I must be honest here. This park is loaded with a lot of stuff here. I was actually surprised. This looks like again, you just pull off to the side. There's nothing here. There's quite a bit here. I just went across a boardwalk. A lot of crabbing going on here. A lot of rock crabbing going on here. Seems like a nice place. I'm just gonna check out some other stuff. There's this primitive trail I'm gonna take and see where it leads. Looks like it's all public property, so I'm gonna keep following it and going where it goes. Find out. It's a really beautiful park. I recommend. I'm really impressed. Now I know as you get close to it, I'm going to watch what I film. There is private property close by, so I have to watch what I film. So everything I will be filming is on trail and close to property. But it looks like a primitive trail. It does look like a legit trail. And let's go on and find out and enjoy. Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to end the vlog right over here. I was going to say, this is a really beautiful park. Really a gem of Sooke. Beautiful park. You have nature, you have boardwalks, you have little beaches, you have little nooks and crannies, crabbing. You know, it's a very beautiful park, very worthwhile if you're in Sooke. Anytime I visit this park, it's absolutely gorgeous. Wonderful wildlife, Spanish moss. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Good thing to spend an hour here and just take it all in. I was actually really impressed. The views are nice. Very family-oriented park. It is nice. If you're in Sooke and you have the time, take an hour or two to visit the park and enjoy. But I recommend coming here during either morning light or evening light, probably the best. Fall colors should look like they could be pretty amazing here. Don't know, I haven't been here in fall, but could be amazing. All right, I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I liked making it. I did enjoy this one quite a bit. I wasn't expecting much in this park, but boy, it definitely delivered. Hope you get a chance to enjoy the same things I did. All righty, thank you, take care, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Take care.